Away they go then for the under-17 boys 400 meters final. And already out blisteringly is Jason Pitt of Jamaica in lane number 7. Tagging along well is Zion Bradford of the Bahamas in lane number 6. And Diwayne Sharpe of Jamaica just ahead of him on the outside. On the outside in lane number 8, that's the man Lightburn Thurbert of Bermuda, traveling nicely. But immediately now he'll feel the presence of Pitter of Jamaica. Pitter in front, Diwayne Sharpe of Jamaica joins him. The Jamaicans well away from the field now as they push the issue into the home stretch. Pressing forward from Antigua and Barbuda, that's Jaron Henry. And Bradford of the Bahamas trying to go forward. Pitter though steps on the gas pedal and moves away from Sharpe. 1-2 for Jamaica, 46.59. And look at the time. Not the sub 46 that we wanted, but nonetheless, that time as it stands is much faster than Jamaica's Nicoy Bramwell's 47.27 from 2024. It's another record for Terry. You called it.
Yes, a brilliant effort from him. I think his teammate Diwayne Sharpe really pushed him in the last 100 meters. He looked as though he might be of a mind to just cruise through to the gold medal. And you see Sharpe there just saying, no, let's go run. And he turns it up just a notch, kicks in the turbo, and finishes in a fine time.
Yeah, 47.47 the official time comes back, so it's not a record.
Just shy.
Just shy of the record.
We know he's capable, but once he came off that curve and he felt that he was comfortable in gold medal position, he just took the extra little nudge from Sharpe and went ahead to just win comfortably.
From a 46.5 flash time to a 47.4 official time. That's really far. That's really, really far.
Official time coming through 47.47. Sharpe second in 47.89. And Bradford taking the bronze medal, 48.43. Great run there from Jason Pitter, Jamaica 1-2.
So having not won a gold medal in the morning session, Jamaicans with the first 2 track events on the afternoon session have gone 2 gold medals and a silver.
Action ongoing in the infield. We've seen the boys triple jump under 17 this afternoon. Boys discus throw under 17 is also taking place. Whilst we take in the 400-meter series.